The Aixam 721 is a microcar produced by the French manufacturer Aixam, known for its compact size and efficient design. Here are some key details about the Aixam 721. Engine. The Aixam 721 typically comes with a small diesel engine, often around 400 to 500 cc, designed for low-speed urban driving. Some models may also offer petrol engine options. Transmission. It usually features an automatic transmission, making it easy to drive, especially in city environments. Dimensions. As a microcar, the Aixam 721 is very compact, with a length of around 2.5 meters and a width of about 1.5 meters. This makes it ideal for navigating narrow streets and fitting into small parking spaces. Seating. The car typically seats 2 people, with limited cargo space. The interior is basic but functional, focusing on practicality over luxury. Fuel efficiency. Due to its small engine and lightweight design, the Aixam 721 is highly fuel efficient, making it an economical choice for city driving. Top speed. The top speed is usually around 45 to 50 kilometers per hour, 28 to 31 miles per hour, which is sufficient for urban areas but not suitable for highways. License requirements. In many countries, the Aixam 721 can be driven with a lower category of driver's license, often referred to as a light quadricycle license, which is easier to obtain than a standard car license. Safety features. Given its size and speed, the Aixam 721 is equipped with basic safety features such as seat belts and a reinforced chassis. However, it lacks advanced safety systems found in larger vehicles. Design. The design is utilitarian, with a focus on simplicity and functionality. It often features a plastic body, which helps keep the weight and cost down. Market. The Aixam 721 is primarily marketed in Europe, where microcars are popular due to their affordability, ease of parking, and lower environmental impact. Overall, the Aixam 721 is a practical and economical choice for urban commuters who prioritize efficiency and ease of use over performance and luxury.